Hey everyone. Today I'm gonna walk you through how I'm using Claude Code with Obsidian in my daily production and work on an upcoming book about mental models. And basically, what you're seeing right now on my right here, the right of the screen, is Claude Code. On the left is Obsidian. And in this particular case, I have built an application hub. And the application hub is basically a folder where I'm working on a new set of chapters that are a selection of real life application of these mental models. First one is strategic decision making in crisis times, which basically takes a set of key mental models that we developed before here. So we have a total of 50 of them and build that structure. And the goal from here is basically to reproduce that structure through a specific pattern for another 9 applications that I have identified. And in this particular case, we're going to use Claude Code as a way to really speed up, but also streamline that execution. And in this case, because I already built the initial chapter through that, we're gonna move to the second chapter and we're gonna give it a simple command. Excellent. Let's move to chapter 2 now. And this is basically the command, and we're gonna launch it. From here, you can see there's this new updated to-do with the focus on chapter 2, building high performance team. And the goal here is to identify all the relevant mental models that are applicable when you're a leader building high performance teams, building the comprehensive linking system so we can have the visual graph in the most accurate way, and then the pattern cluster specific to team performance in particular to really extract that knowledge. So if we move to our knowledge graph, this is what we already have in place. And you're gonna start seeing additional input. So chapter 1 was this. This is chapter 1. I'm gonna zoom in. And you can see all the uh, components, concepts like frameworks, advantage, market, communication, network, understanding, etc., that are under this chapter, but also connected to other pieces. And we're gonna let here Claude Code percolate, as you can see, and in a few seconds, it's gonna be able to basically provide chapter number 2, and you're gonna see it popping up here. And then all the links are dynamically repurposed and resurfaced through the knowledge graph itself. So you can see here the addition of chapter 2 and how the knowledge graph is getting redistributed. This is chapter 2, as you can see, and an updated pattern cluster and cross-chapter navigation. So if we look into details, this is our second chapter here. And you can see basically the different links that are interconnected together. And this is on the right, basically the recap of the chapter number 2, core model integration, flow state, Ringelmann effect, Price's law, feedback loops, then an additional pattern discovery that I requested early on, comprehensive linking system with the double bracket links like wiki style and Obsidian style. So we still have that approach. And if we go back to chapter 2, you can see the whole content being redesigned in the way I was expecting. So this is chapter 2. I'm gonna proceed with chapter 3, and if you have any questions, let me know.